The real-time report shows genuine visitors on the site literally right now, second by second. In this video you'll watch a real visitor show up live after a fresh publish. This real report genuinely shows activity from roughly the actual last 30 minutes, updating live. Before genuinely sharing a real link anywhere, this actual count naturally sits at 0. This real, live count genuinely confirms actual visitors are landing on the specific new page right now. Real-time reports genuinely cover roughly the last 30 minutes. It's a real, live confirmation that tracking is actually working. It's especially useful right after a real publish or share. Publish or share a real page and watch it appear in real time right after. Ready to make sure a real visitor action actually counts as a genuine conversion?